Most people are using ChatGPT wrong. They ask a question, they get an answer, and then they close the tab. But businesses are using ChatGPT very differently. They use it to automate work, replace repetitive tasks, and run systems automatically. Once these systems are set up, they work every day without stopping. Let me show you how. Every business has the same problem: too much manual work, emails, customer questions, content writing, documentation, internal updates. These tasks don't grow the business, but they still need to be done. Hiring people for this work is expensive. That's why many businesses are now using ChatGPT as an automation engine, not just a chatbot. Most people think ChatGPT is only for writing, but ChatGPT is actually a logic system. It can follow instructions, apply rules, generate structured responses, and do it consistently. When you give ChatGPT clear instructions, it behaves like a system, not a conversation. This is the ChatGPT dashboard. On its own, it answers questions, but the real power comes from how it's instructed. Businesses don't ask random questions. They give ChatGPT a role. They tell it what task it performs. They define the format of the output, and they set rules it must follow. Once this is written once, it can be reused again and again. Here's how businesses think about it. Instead of saying, write me an email, they say, when this happens, generate this output using these rules. ChatGPT becomes part of a workflow. For example, when a customer sends a message, ChatGPT reads the request. It identifies the topic. It drafts a response. It prepares the next action, all automatically, no manual work. This is what a real ChatGPT system looks like. It's not one sentence, it's a structured prompt. The AI is told who it is, what it does, how it should respond, and what it should never do. Once this is set up, the output stays consistent. Businesses use ChatGPT systems for many tasks: customer support replies, content outlines, social media captions, FAQ generation, internal documentation. Instead of starting from zero every time, ChatGPT produces results instantly. This reduces mistakes, it saves time, and it allows small teams to operate more efficiently. Notice something important: ChatGPT doesn't just respond once. It follows the same logic every time. That's what makes it useful for automation. It doesn't replace creativity, it replaces repetition. This is why ChatGPT adoption is growing so fast. It removes low-value tasks, it frees up time, and it helps teams focus on decisions and strategy. The tools to do this are getting easier every month. You don't need coding skills, you don't need technical experience. You just need to think in systems: one task, one instruction, one output. That's it. If you want to explore how businesses are using ChatGPT to automate real workflows, you can start experimenting with it today. Helpful resources are linked below.